guys, Destiny here, and welcome to the unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now, where is it? Oh, here. Let's jump right into it. I'm just kidding. One of the amazing features of the iPhone 11 Pro Max is the front camera. It comes with a 12 megapixel camera, and Apple, they released something they call slow feel, like a selfie in slow motion. I don't know how many people use that, but well, I guess if you're like probably a video vixen and you want to send some shots to a director, and know you can like get fun to be blowing your hair while you're doing yes I am. So that's just it. Next, so we have the iPhone 11 Pro. Right off the back, you can see this is the 256 gig model. It also comes with the 64, but I don't really feel they should keep doing 64 gigs since you're shooting at 4K and that takes up almost everything instantly. So let's unwrap it. I like the way they, oh, okay, really neat. Get rid of this. Okay, let's try opening this up. Hey, that was pretty easy. And look at that. See that little notch there? Yeah, I like it. Okay, so first we get the phone. Let's skip this. Let's skip this for now. Let's see what's inside. Okay, comes with Apple comes with their trademark stickers. I wonder if they could give us like other colors of stickers. With that, we have the SIM card removal pin, custom. Not bad. Lightning AirPods. With the charger and the USB-C connecting port to it. So this is what we have in the box. This is everything. I don't think there's any other. Nope. So that is all we have in the box. Let's take this away for a second. Okay. Hey. So I'm really liking the glossy feeling. Let's unwrap this. That's just all you need. So this feels a little bit heavier than the iPhone X I reviewed last time. You know, when I was asking if the iPhone X is a better choice for you in 2020 or not. You can check the video in the card that just popped up. It feels a little bit heavier than that. I like the finishing on this phone. I really do like the finishing. Though the buttons, yeah, the buttons are pretty much the same. Everything is pretty much standard. The major difference in this would be these babies right here, the triple-faced camera that can give you that ultra-wide shot. This is, to me, one of the biggest improvements they did here with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I love the finish. I love the back finish. It's really smooth. Yeah, really smooth. Due to the improvements on the A13 Bionic chip, the battery lasts longer. It has a better feel. It looks a little bit more flashy, like, hey, this is my phone. So Apple, they claim to have the strongest glass on a smartphone. We're not experimenting with that. We're not having 3D touch with this. So Apple had to give up the 3D touch in order to improve battery life, I'm guessing. It's a win-win either which way, because you can see what you need without 3D touch. For color, it comes with space gray, the midnight green, gold, and also silver. But I'm really liking this space gray. I just like the feel. It gives it that really cool vibe. For charger, we have this USB-C type charging adapter. This actually is used for fast charging. It makes fast charging possible. I think this is 45 watts according to Apple. Look at that. Now I was actually thinking Apple would give us like the USB-C connector like every other person is giving us. But then again, I guess that's why they're Apple. They do what they want. So that's nice. I really like the feel. I like the texture. It feels really solid. Feels like it will last, actually. It will last long. Basic standard issue. Basic. Like I said, nothing special. Just basic stuffs. But then, back to what really stands out. Camera. Camera, speed, battery life. That's what makes this phone stand out. And I'll be dropping the total breakdown review of the iPhone 11 Pro Max very soon. So turn on the bell notification so you become the first to know when I drop this video. Let me know what you think about this video. Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated with everything happening in the tech ecosystem. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.